Welcome to My Skills My Future. In this live session, we are going to discuss the previous year questions of RRB Group D, which was held on 24th August 2022 in shift 2. Okay, right. See here, see the question. Right. See the question here. If a plus 1 by a is equal to k, then what is the value of a square minus 1 by a square? Okay, so right, see here the given a plus 1 by a is equal to k. You can write as a plus 1 is equal to ak. Okay, so 1 is equal to ak minus a. So can be written as taking a as common, k minus 1. Okay, so 1 by a is equal to k minus 1. Okay, 1 by a is equal to k minus 1. They asked what is the value of a square minus 1 by a square. See here, a square by a square minus 1 by a square. Okay, right. So a square by a square 1. Okay, so I am taking like this 1 by a whole square. Okay, so 1 minus 1 by a is equal to k minus 1, k minus 1 whole square. So 1 minus a minus b whole square. Okay, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so a square plus b square minus 2ab. So see here, 1 plus 1, so 1 minus k square minus 1 plus 2k. So plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled. So 2k minus k square. Okay, so the value of a square minus 1 by a square is equal to 2k minus k square. Okay, so see the option 3 is correct, 2k minus k square. Okay, right. Once again, here we find 1 by a is equal to k minus 1 and substitute in this value, we get a square minus 1 by a square is equal to 2k minus k square. Right. So see here a question. Today is Wednesday. What day of the week will it be after 75 days? Today is a Wednesday. What day of the week will it be after 75 days? So just divide the number of days, means 75 with 7. Okay, why? Because 7 days means a set of week. Okay, so just divide 75 with 7, we get 7 tens 70, we get 5 as a reminder. Okay, so here 10 complete weeks is completed, 5 extra days is there. Okay, after Wednesday 10 complete weeks is completed, here 5 extra days is there. So here we have Wednesday, so just add 5 days to the Wednesday, that is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. Okay, once again, today is Wednesday. What day of the week will it be after 75 days? Means just divide 75 with 7. So we get the remainder either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so here the remainder is 5. Just we are going after. Okay, what will be after? Just add 5 days to the Wednesday, we get Monday. Okay, so option 3 is Correct. Option 3 is correct. Right. See the question here. A fraction becomes 1 by 2 if 2 is added to the numerator and 5 is added to the denominator. Okay. So, I am taking x by y is one fraction. Okay. So, a fraction becomes if 2 is added to the numerator and 5 is added to the denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. Okay. It also becomes 1 by 3 if 2 is subtracted from both the numerator and denominator, then the fraction is. Okay. So, I am taking the fraction as x by y. So, if 2 is added to the numerator and 5 is added to the denominator, it will become 1 by 2. It will become 1 by 2. And another case is given, it also become 1 by 3. Okay, it also become 1 by 3 if 2 is subtracted from both the numerator and denominator, it will become 1 by 3. So, they given the question, if 2 is added to the numerator and 5 is added to the denominator, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. If 2 is subtracted from both the numerator and the denominator, the fraction becomes 1 by 3. So, what is the question? Then the fraction is. Okay, just cross multiplication, 2x plus 4 is equal to y plus 5. Okay, 2x minus y is equal to 1. 2x minus y is equal to 1. Here see, 3x minus 6 is equal to y minus 2. 3x minus y is equal to, here minus 6 automatically plus 6. So, plus 6 minus 2, 4. Okay. So, 2x minus y is equal to 1 taking as one equation. 3x minus y is equal to 4 taking as equation number 2. So, by equating two equations, 2x minus y is equal to 1, 3x minus y is equal to 4. Okay. So, minus plus minus. So, plus y minus y cancelled, minus x is equal to minus 3. So, x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Okay. Right. X is equal to 3. So, substitute any of this, we can get a y value. So, I am taking 2x minus y is equal to 1. So, 2x is equal to 3, 2 into 3 minus y is equal to 1. So, 6 minus y is equal to 1, minus y is equal to minus 5. So, y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. So, x by y is equal to 3 by 5. X by y is equal to 5. So, just substitute the values according to the question. Our answer is 3 by 5. They given x by y is one fraction if 2 is added to the numerator and 5 is added to the denominator. So, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. So, here x is equal to 3, y is equal to 5. If 2 is added to the numerator, 5 is added to the denominator. So, 5 by 10 nothing but 1 by 2 s. Okay, right. Another information is given, x by y, if 2 is subtracted from both the numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 1 by 3. So, x is equal to 3 minus 2, y is equal to 5 minus 2. So, 3 minus 2, 1, 5 minus 2, 3. Okay. So, 1 by 3. Okay. This is the given information. So, if 2 is added to the numerator and 5 is added to the denominator, then the fraction becomes 1 by 2. It also becomes if 2 is subtracted from both the numerator and denominator, the fraction become 1 by 3. Then what is the fraction? So just by applying a simple technique, here we get one equation and here you get another equation. By solving these two equations, we get the x value and y value. So x by y is the one fraction. So x by y is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, option 1 is correct. Option 1 itself 3 by 5 is correct. Next question, right? Find the area of a regular hexagon, okay, with sides of length 6 centimeters. I am saying again and again, at least we are seeing we are seeing one question to find the area of equilateral triangle, to find the area of rhombus, to find the area of parallelogram, etc. So we are seeing at least one question to find the area of certain, okay. So here one question is given, find the area of a regular hexagon. Okay, so the area of a regular hexagon is, the area of a regular hexagon is 6 into side square into root 3 by 4. Okay, so what is the area of a regular hexagon? 6 into side square, we are taking a as a side, into root 3 by 4. So here they given a is equal to 6, which sides of a length 6 centimeters. So I am taking my side is 6. So just substitute this value, 6 into 6 square into root 3 by 4. So 6 into 6 square 36 into root 3 by 4. So 4 ones, 4 nines. So 6 into 9 into root 3. So 6 into 9, 54 root 3 centimeter square. Okay, 54 root 3 centimeter square is the area of a regular hexagon. So we are seeing at least one question on find the area of something. Okay, right. So see the option 1 itself correct, 54 root 3 is correct. Okay, right. So shall we move to the next question? Yes, right. See the question here. Okay, so a by b is equal to 4 by 3. Here the printing mistake is there. If, okay, if a by b is equal to 4 by 3 and 3a plus 2b is equal to 24. Okay, so 3a plus 2b is equal to 24. Then find the value of a. So I am taking a by b as given in the form of a ratio, okay, or in the fraction. A by b is equal to, I am taking a is equal to 4x, b is equal to 3x. Okay, so and they given 3a plus 2b is equal to 4. So a is equal to 4x, plus b is equal to 3x is equal to 24. 4 3s are 12x plus 2 3s are 6x is equal to 24. So 18x is equal to 24. X is equal to 24 by 18, nothing but 6 4s are 6 3s are. So x is equal to 4 by 3. So what is our question? Find the value of a. Okay, find the value of a. So a is equal to nothing but 4x. Okay, a is equal to 4x. So x is, what is the value of x? 4 by 3. So x is equal to 4 by 3. So 16 by 3. A is nothing but 16 by 3. A is nothing but 16 by 3. See the option 4 is correct. Option 4 is correct. So what is the value of a is? A value is 16 by 3 is correct. Okay, right. Next, see the question, a simple question is given on proportion. The fourth proportion of 12 comma 24 and 45. So 12 by 24 is equal to 45 by what will come in the place of fourth proportion. So 12 2s are 24, 45 2s are 90. Okay, option 2 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. Right, see the question. The question is given on simple interest. Okay, the simple interest on a sum of money is 3 by 5 of the principal in 12 years. In 12 years. Okay, so see the one. Read the question once again. The simple interest on a sum of money is 3 by 5 of the principal in 12 years. Okay, what is the rate of interest per annum? Okay, so what is the rate of interest per annum? So they given the interest is 3 by 5 of principal in 12 years. So what is the value of 3 by 5? So just convert how much percent according to the 100. So just I am converting in percentage. So 5 ones are 5 twos are 60%. Okay, okay, right. So see that simple interest is 60%. Okay, for 12 years. Okay, just divide the suppose I am taking 100% amount is the principal. Okay, simple interest is 60. Okay, simple interest is 60. Okay, right. What is the rate of interest? So this is the simple interest percentage for 12 years. So per every year what percent will come? Okay, so just divide by 12, you get the answer. So 12 ones are 12 fives are. So 5% rate of interest per annum. Once again, see the question. The simple interest on a sum of money is 3 by 5, okay, of principal. So I am taking principal as 100. So what is the 3 by 5 of 100? So 5 ones are 5 twos are 60. So 60 is the simple interest. Okay, 60 is the simple interest. So 60 is taking, okay, 60 is taking for 12 years. Just divide by 12, you get 5. Okay, so this is the value. 5% per annum is the rate of interest, okay, per annum. So see the option 4 is correct. Option 4 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. See the question. The question is based on ratios. Just to see the question. Okay. Okay, see the question. Right. The ratio of the present ages of a man and his wife is 7:6. Okay, after 6 years. Okay, right. After 6 years, this ratio will be 8:2. If at the time of marriage, okay, if at the time of marriage, the ratio of their ages was 4:3. So then, how many years ago from now did they get married? Okay, did they get married? See here, the ratio of man to his wife is how much? I am taking 7x is to 6x. Okay, 7:6. I am taking like 7x is to 6x. Okay, so after 6 years, the ratio will be 8:7 after 6 years. After 6 years, just add to the 6 to the both numerator and denominator, the ratio will become 8:7. Okay, cross multiplication, 7 sevens are 49, x plus 42 is equal to 8 6 are 48, x plus 48. Send 48 to the left side, x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6. Okay, so 49 minus 48, we get x 48 minus 42, we get 6. Okay, so x is equal to 6. Okay, see here, 7x by 6x. Okay, 7x by 6x. Okay, the ratio of the present ages of man and his wife is, what is the age is 7 6 42. Okay, 7 6 42, 6 6 36. So this is the present age of man and his wife. Okay, right. See here, if at the time of marriage the ratio of their ages was 4:3. Okay, so this is the present age of man and his wife. At the time of marriage the ratio is 4:3. Just see here, this is the age of man and his wife. Okay, before some years the age is, the respective ages ratio is 4:3. So I am taking this as y. Okay, so before some years. Okay, so this is the respective ratio of their age at the time of marriage. Okay, right. See here, 42 minus y by 36 minus y is equal to 4/3. So 42 into 3, we get 126. Okay, minus 3y is equal to 36 into 4, 36, 72, 144 minus 4y. Okay, right. So y is equal to just 144. So minus 4y minus 3y, we get minus 4 to the left side, we get 4y minus 3y, we get y. So 144 minus 126, we get 18. Okay, so y is equal to 18. So what is our question? Then how many years ago from now they get married? So 18 years ago. From 18 years ago they get married. Okay, so our answer is option 3. Okay, first of all, see the question once again. The ratio of the present ages of a man and his wife is 7:6. We can write 7x is to 6x. Okay, right. After 6 years, the ratio will be 8:7. So according to this information, we find the age of the man and his wife is 42 and 36. So from now, from how many years ago they get married means, so from 18 years ago they get married. Okay, right. So option 3, 18 years is correct answer. Right, see the question. If the mean of the data 11, 17, x plus 1, 3x, 19, 2x minus 4, x plus 5 is 21. Okay, so see here once again, see the question. If the mean of the day, right, if the mean of the day, 17, x plus 1, 3x, 19, 2x minus 1, x plus 5 is 21, find the mode. Find the mode of the data. So what is meant by mode? Mode is most frequently repeated value is known as mode. Okay, most frequently repeated value is known as mode. Okay, right. Just first of all found what is the value of x here. Okay, so they given the mean of certain numbers. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so they given the mean of 7 numbers is 21. Okay, so what is mean? Sum of observations by number of observations. So mean is equal to x bar is equal to sum of observations by a number of observations observations, sum of given quantities by number of given quantities, or sum of given observations by number of given observations. So they given mean is equal to, sum of 11 plus 17 plus x plus 1 plus 3x plus 19 plus 2x minus 4 plus x plus 5 by, so how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, right. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 numbers are there. So sum of given quantities by number of given quantities is equal to, they given 21. Okay, right. So just add the x values here, x plus 3x 4x, x plus 3x 4x, 4x plus 2x 6x plus x 7x. Okay, 7x. Okay, plus, so 11 plus 17 28, 29, so 29 plus 19 48, 48 minus 4, okay, 44, 44 plus 5 49. Okay, so plus 49 is equal to 21 into 7. Send this 7 to the right side. Okay, so 7x plus 49 is equal to 21 into 7, we get 147. Okay, right. So 7x is equal to 147 minus 49, 147 minus 49, we get 98. Okay, so 7x is equal to 98, x is equal to 98 by 7, so 7 ones are 7 fours are, so x is equal to 14, x is equal to 14. Okay, so see what is the mode value, means mode is mostly repeated value. So just substitute the x value in these terms. Okay, here we get 11, 17. So see here, once again I am showing here. So 11, 17. So 14, x is the value, 14 plus 1, we get here 15. So 14 threes, we get here 42. And here if you see 14 twos, 28 minus 4, here we get 24. Okay, so 14 plus 5, here we get 14 plus 5, 19. Okay, these are the numbers actually they given. Okay, so 11, 17, 15, 42, 19, 24, 19 is the mean of these numbers is 21. So by the information we find the x value. So they show that what is the mode. Okay, so mode is nothing but most frequently repeated value. Here if you see that here 19 is repeated one time and 19 is repeated two times here. No other value is repeated more than two times. So we can consider 19 is the modal value for the data. Okay, see option 2 is correct. Okay, option 2 is correct. So 19 is the modal value for this data. Okay, right. Thank you. Sorry. Next question. Right, see the question, which of the following numbers will replace the question mark in the given series? So the series is given 6, 8, 13, 23, 40, and here question mark. So in previous live session we discussed same type of pattern question. So just comment the answer in comment section. Okay. So in previous live session we solved same type of pattern of number series question. Just to follow the logic and give your answer in comment section. Okay, right. Next question. Right, here see the question. A inequality question is given. A statement is A less than Q, Q less than or equal to X, E is equal to A. Okay, E is equal to A. So A is less than T means T is greater than A is equal to E. So this is the statement we have. Okay, this is the statement we have. See the conclusions, T less than E. So by seeing itself, we can say T is greater than E. Okay, this is not correct. And see the second statement, A is equal to X. No, A less than X. Okay, this is also wrong. So both 1 and 2 are false. See the options, both 1 and 2 are true? No. Only 2 is true? No. Only 1 is true? No. Neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2 is true. Okay, neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2 is true. Okay, right. Next question. Right, see the question, the sum of roots of the equation. Okay, so these type of questions we are saying as many times in the RRB. So they are asking the sum of roots of the equation. They are asking what is the product of the root of the equation. Okay, so here they given sum of the roots of the equation. Okay, the sum of roots of the equation, quartic equation. So we have formula minus b by a. Okay, minus b by a. So here a is 5, b is minus 11, c is 6. So what is the sum of roots means minus b by a minus of minus 11 by 5. So nothing but 11 by 5. So sum of roots of equation is 11 by 5. Option 3 is correct. So these type of question they are asking sum of roots or product of roots for quartic equation. So we are seeing as many times of as many. Okay, just remember the formulas, that what is sum of roots and what is product of roots of a quartic equation. Next question. Right. 12 years ago, Rekha's age was 2 by 5 of that of her sister. The ratio of Rekha's and her sister's present age is 3:4. Okay. So what is the total of their present ages? Just now we discussed one problem on ages, the man and his wife ages in the ratios. Okay, same type of the question, just to solve the question and comment your answer in comment session. Okay, right. So see the question carefully, just similar example. So see the question, 12 years ago. Okay, so Rekha's was 2 by 5 of that her sister's age. So the ratio of Rekha's and her sister's age was 3 by 4. Okay, so 3x by 4x is the present age of Rekha's and her sister's age. So 12 years ago minus 12. Okay, their age was 2 by 5. So just to simplify, you get the answer. Just answer your answer in comment session. Okay, right. See the question here. The question is based on profit and loss. The cost price of an article is 64% of market price. Okay, the cost price of an article is 64% of market price. Calculate the gain percentage after allowing the discount of 4%. So here they didn't given the cost price or selling price or market price. So but they are asking what is the gain percentage. Okay, so see here, I think that let us take the market price be 100. Okay, let us take the market price be 100. So they given the cost price of an article is 64% of the market price. So according to this, we can take the cost price is 64. Okay, according to this, the cost price is 64. So and they given a 4% discount. Okay, so selling price means just to subtract 4% in this, we get selling price. Okay, 96 is the selling price. Okay, so see here once again, the cost price of an article is 64% of the market price. So I am taking 100 is the market price and cost price according to the question we get 64. So calculate the gain percent after allowing 4% discount. So this is the market price, in that they are giving 4% discount. So just subtract 4% in the 100%, we are getting 96. So this is the selling price. They are asking profit percentage. So first of all, take the profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 96. Cost price is 64. So 96 minus 64, we are getting 32. Okay. Profit is 32. So they are asking profit percentage. So profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100%. So we are taking a profit is 32. Okay, 32. Cost price is 64. Cost price is 64 into 100%. So 32 ones are 32 twos are. So see here. So 1 by 2 into 100%, nothing but, so 50% profit is there. So according to the question, the profit percentage after giving 4% a discount on market price. So this is the answer, 50%. Okay, right. Next question. So one more question is given on number series 24, 28, 35, 48, 73, and here you are getting the question mark. So what will come in the place of question mark? If you see here, what is the distance here? Here the distance is 4, and here the distance is 7, and here the distance is 48 minus 35. So we are getting the distance is 13. So here the distance is 73 minus 48, we are getting 525. Okay. See here, if the observe the distance carefully. So into 2 minus 1, 4 2s are 8 minus 1, they given 7. Okay. Next, 7 2s are 14 minus 1, they written as 13. Okay. So 13 2s are 26 minus 1, they are taking as 25. Okay. So 4 2s are 8 minus 1, 7. Okay. 7 2s are 14 minus 1, nothing but 13. 13 2s are 26, 26 minus 1, 25. So 25 2s are 50 minus 1, 49. So here the number is nothing but 49. Just add 73 to the 49. Okay. So 122. 122. Okay. So the distance between here to here 49, and just add 73 to the 49, we get the number 122. See the options, option 3 is correct. Okay. Right. So these are the some questions which are asked in RRB Group D. The exam was held on 24th August 2022 in shift 2. Okay. Right. Thank you for watching.